Hey, welcome to Adventures with Peps. I'm finally getting back to a project I started earlier this year, Genestealer Cult, the Blessed Wormlings, and yeah, it's been way too long since I did a video of just doing this to them. I did manage to do a blog post where I showed how I painted this guy. Now, I loved the effect I managed to get. Way too many steps. I just don't have the energy or the strength to do that. So we're going to do some shortcuts today, hopefully using contrast paints. See if I can speed up this process a little bit more. I've got a full squad to paint with some leader models. With, I think that's a Weber. Standard bearer guy. Anyway, we got a few models to get through. My goal is hopefully rather than just having music playing in the background, I'm gonna chat about my plans for this army, which will not be the most competitive version of this force whatsoever. It's going to be made up of the models that I find interesting and that I would happily paint and put on the table, because I feel that's how this army is going to grow. It's not going to grow out of competitiveness, it's going to just grow out of what I wish to paint. So let's dive in. As always, remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, or use any of the links that I will put in the comments section below. Any of that will help me buy more stuff and hopefully make more videos that you guys might like and enjoy. Thanks for watching. So, Genestealer Cult, the Blessed Wormlings. So, for this army, I basically want to base it around the old 2nd edition codex. So back then you had 3 HQ options, a Patriarch, a Magus, and a Cult Icon Bearer. This worked great for me as I have the Patriarch model already from the Space Hulk, and it's dying to get painted up, so that makes me happy. Then the Magus is completely a no-brainer take. I'm not a fan of the models that are out, so chances are I'm going to try and convert up one from some models I have kicking around. I have a few like Necromunda models that I might see if I can take away and chop up and give them funky heads. And then the Icon Bearer, which sadly is sold out on the Games Workshop website as we are recording this. I love the way it looks, and I do want to have that model at some point, so that's also a complete no-brainer. Does mean I will not be taking a Jackal Alphas, which is a sniper guy on a motorbike. The Brutish Abomination, I think it's called, and also the Primus model, which is the close combat leader type model. I don't like them, so they're just out. Hopefully that's not a bad idea, but if you think it is, drop me a comment and tell me why it's a bad idea, and I'll see if I want to change my mind or not on them. And then also in 2nd edition you only had basically Brood Brothers, Neophytes, Acolytes and Genestealers for the main part of the army, so I don't want Brood Brothers. I don't like Imperial Guard models, even with the new kit that's come out, so I don't foresee me taking any of them unless, I don't know, I guess maybe I could use some Cawdor Gangers from Necromunda to do something fun, but yeah, I don't see that happening. Neophytes, as this video is me painting them, we can guarantee they're going to be in. It seems to be the right background unit for the army. They come from this weird, like, heavily worker planet that's a massive graveyard, so having plenty of them kicking around that can pass as humans in the dark, moody light seems to make sense. And then the Acolytes look pretty cool. They can also be took as elite choices, so double usage out of them. I'm obviously going to have a Genestealer unit, because I want them to run with the Patriarch. They fall under elites. They've been the same forever, and I'm going to use the Space Hulk Patriarch and the Space Hulk Genestealers to fill out that squad choice. Looking through the other elite options, I think I'm going to go with God knows how you pronounce this one, a Clamacus and a Nexus. So the Clamacus is the one with the speaker and microphone. No idea what he does, just looks cool. And the what is he called again? The Nexus. He has the battle map, and I believe he can do some cool ambush things. So I just like the model, but it seems like he's got some good rules that can go with him. We're then into fast attack. So looking at that, I don't want Sentinels, I don't want anything Imperial Guard. I don't like them, so if I'm getting anything it's going to be Ridge Runners. And same problem with heavy support, so it's probably just going to be all Goliath trucks after that. That's about it. It's going to be heavy on the infantry with lots of trucks. Let me know what you think, let me know your thoughts. If I see enough love for this video, I'll try and do some more cult videos going forwards. Like, subscribe. Cheers.